Hey disco divas, we're gonna start this out by stepping to the side, putting our hand on our head, hand on our hip, and booty bouncing. Sit, sit, take it up. Oh my gosh, feel that bun tightening. Yes, speed this up now.
Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you're healing. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling?
Now hit that note. You've got your church tambourines in your hand, and I need you to let the spirit take over your body.
Cause I give up way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots.
Speed it up.
Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now.
Hit it.
Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be
One more
distressed.
time. It's Soul Train time. I need you to show me what you've got. Haley Bob, start us off.
I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight.
Caleb, your turn.
I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Okay.
Step up, step together, finger guns, everybody now.
I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight.
In a circle.
It's about damn time.
It's about damn time you shopped some active booty and you followed us on Spotify. Workout by the Fitness Marshall. It's our revamped playlist to keep you dancing. Watch the official video right here and click here to do our 16 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week.